Finally, Lian decided to release the fan favorite SL-INF fans in the wireless ecosystem. Here guys are true wireless fans. These run without the cables and are controlled wirelessly as well. Well, sort of as usual, but technically it is becoming a reality that we have completely wireless fans. So let's unbox these fans and see how you can connect them. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. First of all, as usual, there are triple and single pack fans, reverse and regular blade fans as well. Triple pack reverse blade fans hide a little trick inside, which I will show you later. But the latest SL-INF fans, SL wireless Infinity fans, do come with some improvements. First, there are now two sides to choose from. You can have a square side with infinity mirror design, of course, and you can have the traditional other side as recognizable to the SL-INF shape. I don't know how to call this shape, but you can see it on the screen. Connecting fans into a cluster is easy as usual, just align the fans and connect using the clips on the other fan. Up to 4 fans in a single cluster can be connected. On the ending fan you can remove the clips for better visuals, and you also get a little cover to cover the pogo pins to prevent accidental shorts or simply to be visually good looking. The connection to the computer is done via a dual PWM cable, and yeah, dual, this time there is no need for both of them to be used, but if for some reason you are not having enough power for the fans from one PWM fan header, you can use both of them. The trick is to set PWM mode to the maximum in the BIOS to avoid any of these problems. The other side goes to the fan, of course, with a possibility to reverse the sides where the cable exits if that is needed, and you can also connect the complete cable to any of each fan side, so you pick whichever side suits you, since you can also choose whichever LED sides suit you. What is also new now, like other newer models of Lian fans, these come with recessed screw holes and rubber covers to hide the screws, but also to act as a little dampening for the fan vibrations. Performance-wise, first time ever reverse blade fans have slightly better airflow, which is actually a good thing. They are usually used as intake fans on the bottom, so they should have better airflow. 69.7 CFM versus 67 CFM on regular fans. Air pressure is better on regular model, 3.4 versus 2.2 mm H2O. The speed is so similar, 200 up to 2300 RPM and 2200 respectively. The noise is slightly better on regular blade fans, 29.2 decibels versus 32.2 decibel on the reverse model, and this has to do with the nature of the fan blade. Both variants are using fluid dynamic bearings and they are both quiet in operation, that is guaranteed. I used them while testing the HydroShift 2 LCD AIO and they performed great. But the coolest innovation here is the power bank. It comes with the first 6000 units of the triple reverse fan packs, which allows you to provide the power for the fans but also to control them wirelessly. Yep, completely without any wires. It's a cool trick for a quick demonstration, as this is not a permanent solution. For usage in the PC, you will still require cables to be connected to properly run these fans, as the batteries in the power bank will go out after some time, leaving your PC not cooled at all. Anyhow, as usual, control is done via the L-Connect software. You can connect up to 10 channels per one wireless controller, meaning you can control a bunch of fans, you can control HydroShift 2 AIO, for example, and streamer cables too. These fans have 3 LED zones, so both sides can be controlled individually, and of course the central ring part too. I will not go through all the possible RGB modes, there are plenty of them, bunch of them to choose from, and make your own combination of each color and mode and such. I tend to like the simple single color light. What I think that Lian accomplished here is the complete transfer of the whole fan range and all other devices to the wireless ecosystem to be controlled via one single controller. There will be no LCD variants of these fans since these focus primarily on infinity mirrors. The TL fans would be the variant with LCD screens. Prices are as usual, $104.99 for the triple pack, $31.99 for the single pack with the receiver, and you can get wireless controller separately for $17.99. More or less prices are where they are. This is pure luxury for the PC, if I may say so. Yep, they look cool, yep, they are cooling your PC. Lian should start working on better software. As much as I like the L-Connect and that everything is under one roof, I hate it as much too. It is buggy, RGB tends to flicker from time to time, it's like it resets itself every 30 or so seconds. So Lian, if you are done with transferring everything to a wireless ecosystem, which is a nice thing to have, to be frank, please work on the stability and improvement to the L-Connect software. Anyhow, the fans are awesome, consider it an upgrade from the previous SL-Infinity fans, but if you already invested in the previous generation of these fans, there is no reason to upgrade apart from the wireless support now. So if you want something a bit better and still maintain that cool LED style that SL-Infinity fans have, I suggest TL wireless fans as they offer the best lights and best performance out of all Lian range. For now, this is it. If you like the idea of a cleaner system and you are on the hunt for good looking fans, these and actually every other fan in the Lian wireless lineup will suit your needs. Just be ready to wrestle with the L-Connect until they fix it for good. Thanks for watching guys, sub to the channel in the meantime, like and share the video, and I'll see you in another one.